Hello guys, for Observer's Paradise in Blog Technica. We're here at the launch ceremony of Funbook, Micromax tablet. First hand looks at the device. It's basically aimed at the educational market of India, and it's very handily priced at about 6,500 rupees. As you can see, it's a 7-inch diagonal screen. I'll just go through the specs. It's running a 1.22 GHz Cortex A8 processor with an Android 4.0. This one is selling, by the way, as the first ICS tablet device in India. It is a made in India device, and keeping all of that in mind, it definitely really impresses us. If you compare it to something like an iPad, just look at the two devices side by side. It's a ridiculously thin device, and the screen resolution definitely looks really good. The battery backup being talked about 2850 mAh with the 5-hour backup. We're talking a lot of deals with the device. For example, a Tata Photon deal with it. The screen definitely looks very responsive. It is a capacitive screen that looks really good. So the sort of application that it's running, you can see a lot of ICS action happening. Very honestly speaking, I don't think it's really that different from the Honeycomb tablets that we've seen, but it's good to see ICS on the device. It does support Flash browser, and it comes with all the Play Store applications, which would have come to see. Just take you through and show it to you that it is an ICS running tablet. You can see the Android version 4.0.3. So far it's been really impressive. We've just had about 10-15 minutes of playing time with it. Though yes, there is one issue with it. It does seem to heat a bit. But as the PR team has been answering for Micromax, that's probably down to some of the heating issues because of certain discharge cycles, and we're talking about 3-4 cycles, which will make it fine. The device is actually being sold out as an e-reader, and a lot of education stuff on this, with a couple of good tie-ups with things like Pearson. So that's definitely worth looking out for. And of course the general play market applications rather, coming out with it. It does have just got one camera, which is the front facing camera for things like Skype. There is no back camera. The ports, it does come with a 3.5mm headset jack. It does come with an HDMI port. I'm not sure whether the device is going to be shipping with an HDMI port, but it's definitely there. There is a micro USB charge, but it's a macro USB. Yeah, it's not a micro USB, sorry. So, and of course it's got the turning sensors and all of that stuff. It's got a 4 GB inbuilt internal memory, which is pretty handy. So far it does look good for a very steep sort of a market, and if you're looking for a cheap tablet, definitely something worth catching up. Should be available very soon in the market. For now, I guess it's things like Snapdeal where you can pick one up from, also on the Micromax website. Tune in for more tech stuff here at Blog Technica and Observer's Paradise. Thank you.